Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you a quick guide on how to change your Telegram icon on both Apple and Android devices. Now for Apple users, you simply need to 3D touch the Telegram icon and tap on Edit App Icon. Now this will bring you straight to the app icon selection, whereas for Android users, you guys have to tap on the app. And if you go to Settings on the bottom right hand corner, you simply have to go down to Appearances and scroll down. As you can see, we are now in the same selection area, and you simply click on whatever selection you want. Now, if you have the premium versions, you're able to select the premium, turbo, black, etc. But since I don't have it, I'll select mono black, for example, and my Telegram icon has changed. So now if we go back to our home screen, you can see that the Telegram icon has changed. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.